Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the daily weather on the Weather Channel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the daily button next to the hourly option at the bottom of the page, and here you can check the daily weather forecast and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.